Hello everybody. Now physics for grade 11, chapter 34.2, electric current. Please keep your textbook open, page 682. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define electric current, describe how to measure electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electric charge. In solid conductors, electrons carry the charge through the circuit because they are free to move throughout the atomic network. Because it is a solid conductor, the electrons are called conduction electrons. As you know that protons are bound inside atomic nuclei, locked in fixed positions. In fluids, such as the electrolyte in a car battery, positive and negative ions as well as electrons may flow. Let's watch the video for better understanding.
What is electricity? It is simply the rate of flow of electric charge, which means it is the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. More the charge flowing in unit time, more will be the electricity. If net charge Q flows across any cross-section of a conductor in time t, then the electric current through that cross-section is given as Q over T. It's the net charge that flows across a cross-section in time t. Do you know the SI unit of electric charge? It's Coulomb. How do we understand Coulomb? It's very easy and logical. It is the charge contained in approximately 6.24 times 10 raised to 18 electrons. 1 Coulomb is the charge contained in these many electrons. With this concept, can you tell me the charge each electron possesses? It will be 1 over this number, which will equal approximately a negative charge of 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 Coulomb. And the time, which is the denominator, is measured in seconds. So what will be the SI unit of current? The SI unit of charge is Coulomb and that of time is seconds. So the SI unit of current will be Coulomb per second. And this Coulomb per second is given a special name.
Please remember this formula, electric current equal to Q over T. Later on in the coming lessons, we will be using a different formula also for electric current. At the end of the chapter, we will have some calculation or solving type questions.
It's called Ampere and it's named after the French scientist André-Marie Ampere.
Okay, now look at the next slide. It's about measuring current. How to measure the electric current? Electric current is measured in amperes and the symbol is A. Look at this piece of metal wire. You can see the flow of charge here. If you take a cross section of this wire, the flow of charge past any cross section as shown here is 1 Coulomb, means 6.24 billion electrons per second. That time the current is 1 ampere. Once again, when the flow of charge past any cross section is 1 Coulomb per second, the current is 1 ampere. And you know that 1 Coulomb has 6.24 billion electrons. Now, what is the net charge of a wire? If you have a current carrying wire, you see negative electrons swarm through the atomic network of positively charged atomic nuclei. Under ordinary conditions, the number of electrons in the wire is equal to the number of positive protons in the atomic nuclei. As electrons flow, the number entering is the same as the number leaving, so the net charge is normally 0 at every moment. It means the net charge of a current carrying wire is always 0. Now, what is the net flow of electric charge in a current carrying wire? This is the question, a conceptual question from your textbook. Thank you for listening and see you next time.